Perimeter and area both measure a shape, but they measure different things. Perimeter means the distance around the outside. Area means the space inside. Think of a fence around a yard for perimeter and grass covering the yard for area. Here's a rectangle that is 5 units long and 3 units wide. To find the perimeter, we add every side because we're going all the way around. Count with me. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals 16 units. Not 8, because 8 only covers 2 sides, not the whole outside edge. Now let's find the area. Imagine the rectangle filled with the little square tiles. There are 3 rows with 5 squares in each row. That's 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 15. Multiplication is faster, so we do 5 times 3 equals 15 square units. Perimeter measures outside distance. Area measures inside space. Same rectangle, different questions, different answers.